What is happening, good people? Swaps and stuff, swaps performance. Twin turbo whistle gang in this thing, man. Twin turbo. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but yeah, we rocking it. Anyway, man, in this particular video, man, this is the ups and downs of going through of some of these swaps, man. I had issue with the injector leaking, stuck wide open. I had an issue with the injector not working, not firing. I had an issue with quite a bit, man. All those things. And then, this is also a video saying that it's not a how-to, but what I did to put a sump in that stock tank. Granted that the fuel pump we use will be changed, it's just needed for that day to get it moved around, but the fuel pump will be changed. But we rocking and rolling. The Le Mans is moving. I'm a big fan of the Le Mans. How she turned out. Big shout out to the owner. Shout out to Ken 10. The gold with the green. Man. What they say, gold is for the honey and green is for the money. Can you dig it? Gold is for the honey and green is for the money. Can you dig it? Alright, anyway, man. Yeah, in this video, man, we are looking at the sump that we put in for the Le Mans, baby. And then we're also looking at 2 steps forwards, 5 steps back on a leaky fuel injector, which can cause catastrophic failure to the engine because the injector can be stuck wide open. That's what we had. That's what I had. I had a bad injector stuck open, but I caught it. I did catch it, which is a plus. Then I had 2 other injectors that wasn't doing anything. Nothing. You know what I'm saying? So, that's what you run into sometimes when dealing with some of these engines, man. It's what you run into sometimes. So, but I had injectors. I had some other injectors. Swapped them dudes out. Got some more on the way. You know what I mean? Got some good ones on the way. And like, man, y'all ever need any injectors? Clean and ready to rock. Eric Durr. Look him up. Y'all gonna thank me for this. I'm telling you. So holler at him. Seriously. On Facebook, that platform, you can get a hold of him. He does message back. He does contact you back. So again, Eric Durr for your injectors. If you want, use a stock injector setup, man. You want aftermarket, you know what to do for aftermarket. Well, there's my tidbit, my information saying I'm not a how-to, but it's a walkthrough. Let me get back to it, man. Y'all be easy. Yeah, man. So we got the. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook these relays up, do my fan, and then like I said, injectors first thing in the morning, man. Injectors first thing in the morning. Let's see what's happening. Sumpy sump. I do a little trimming. Still might do a little more trimming. Knock some of this paint off. Drill me some holes. And then drop the dude in, man. Sumpy sump. What was that add? About another half gallon to the tank. We're still able to use the same pickup. Should be able to use the same pickup. And that'll be the return also. See what I mean? The return will be 3/8 versus 5/16. And the feed will be an 8mm or 8 AN, which is close to 1/2 inch. We're gonna try to knuckle it down to 3/8. Let it ride, man. We'll do some more cleanup on it, and once we get the stitching on it, I'll come back with a little bit of videos, more videos. Alright, I believe we've got enough holes in it for, if I had a bigger hole saw, I'd do that, but I don't have a bigger hole saw, so we have to run with this. But I think we got enough holes in it. I mean, gas can't get through them holes, we got a problem. And the sump sits right here. I might go ahead and put another one here, another one here. Just in case, I don't know. I feel like that should be enough. It should be efficient. It's efficient enough for holes. Go ahead and get my welder together and start stitching. Yeah, I went ahead and added a couple more holes. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a grinder one more time. Smooth it, clean it up, get all that nasty undercoat off, and then start stitching her up, y'all. Let's see what we can do. I would do a time lapse, but all the safety gurus, you know, so therefore we're not going to do a time lapse. We'll go in spurts. All right, we got the sump welded on. I ain't gonna lie, I say I didn't blow through. I did. Damn it. That little tank's a little dry, or a little what do you call it? Damn. It looks like I got a little drip somewhere. I'm gonna check. Go on back here now and check it to see what kind of leaks I may or may not have. So, let's see what we got here. Yep, I got one. Let me check it.
Swap's Performance, 70 Pontiac Le Mans, fresh LS swap. Y'all see what's going on, man.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.